we go. Tomatoes, tomatoes, tomatoes. These tomatoes have done very, very good this year. I actually had to thin some of them down, but there's nothing wrong with fried green tomatoes. Get where you can see this one. That's Cherokee Purple. Lots of people love this tomato, the heirloom variety. I don't particularly care for it, but hey, there's a lot of people do. So. If you look back in the, I think it is a short, how to double your tomato production by shaking the blooms. Well, you can say I may have shook these a little too hard. But you can see I'll just walk through here and show you how many ripe tomatoes we do have. Most of this will go into pasta sauce. That's what we'll make with these. And I know a couple of days ago I picked a 5-gallon bucket full. This is the Sweet 100. They're very good. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go through here and just get these picked. You gotta sit and watch me pick tomatoes. But I just wanted you to see how many, and we'll get them laid out on the table and let you see how many that we actually have. Got a cutworm here. See how the leaves are being gone? We'll have to hunt him down and put a stop to that. And they're kind of hard to find because they'll look just like the color of the tomato. But the best time to find those is late in the evening when it cools off. They crawl back down to the bottom and hide in this heat, which I can't say is I blame them. And then these are later. These are mountain fresh tomatoes. I planted those late. They're starting to come on and do real well.